Hey guys, this is Lindsay at the blog Repurpose and Upcycle, and today I want to show you a really quick project on DIY no-sew pillow covers. I am using an old tablecloth. Preferably you probably are going to want to use like a fabric upholstery, but I had an old tablecloth that I wanted to reuse, so you know, repurpose and upcycle, that's what I do. So yeah, we're going to start with this. And I've already cut the length of this. So what it is, I'm using a 16 by 16 pillow. So you take the length of your pillow, my pillow's 16 inches, you double it, that'd be 32, and you add 7 inches. So I'm just gonna round up and I'm gonna say I need the length of it to be 40 inches. Now for the width, you're gonna need the width, add an inch on each side. So if the width is 16 inches, you're going to want it to be 18 inches. So after you've measured your fabric, so I've got 40 inches by 18 inches, you cut it. Then after you cut it, to make those really nice seams, you're going to use fabric tape. And what you do is you add it to all the sides, and then you fold it over to make a nice looking seam. So when I say a really nice seam, what I mean is I just took the fabric tape, put it all across the edge, and I turned it over to make it look like it's been stitched. And I did this, well, I haven't yet, but you need to do this to all the edges just to make it look like it's sewed. After you've added a seam to all of your edges, and it looks nice, you're going to want to take your pillow and lay it down. Take the bottom side and cover it and move your pillow up until the bottom covers the top. Okay? And make sure you center the pillow in the middle of the fabric. So it looks like this, see? Okay, once you've got your spot marked, you're gonna take the pillow out. And then take the edges and put a layer of double-sided tape on either side. Put some pressure together. Make sure they're good and secure. Okay, so once you've secured both sides with the fabric tape, you should have like what kind of looks like a grain sack. Make sure you can pull it, don't pull it too tight, but make sure it's secure, it's not going to come apart. And this is the fun part where you stuff your pillow in. Make sure it fits. Moment of truth. The beauty of fabric tape is that it bonds really well. The bad part about fabric tape is it's nearly impossible to pull it off of the piece of fabric. So make sure if you're going to put fabric tape down that you don't plan on pulling it apart. So here it is. I think it looks pretty good. And this is where you can do one of two things. You can make a pillow where it just has a flap. And see, I did this on purpose because I've got this nice embellishment. So I think this pillow is just going to sit like this. Or what most people do, and what most people call an envelope pillow, is where you can tuck this inside the pillow and it just looks like that. It's got a clean edge. Yep. So there it is. Here's your really simple no-sew